Now I am speaking to the GoPro, and this is in stereo mode. 1080p, 60 frames a second. How do I sound? Do you hear any background noise? This was stereo mode. And now it's on wind only mode. How do I sound? Do you hear any background noise? And it's again 1080p 60 frames a second and wind only mode. This is 1080p 60 frames a second and the audio is on auto. So normally it would automatically choose the best option. Oh god. 1080p 60 frames a second and it's on auto. So the audio is on auto. Normally it would pick automatically the best choice and make the best sounding. Well, yeah, make the best audio of what I'm saying right now. How do I sound? Do you hear any background noise? How do I sound? Do you hear any background noise? How do I sound? Do you hear any background noise? How do I sound? Do you hear any background noise? 60 frames a second, guys. And it's still on stereo mode. Okay. Run here. Let's put this one on wind mode now. So guys, now it's on wind mode. There aren't so many cars as there were, but okay. I don't know which one sounds better. You will tell me, I think. I hope you can see me in this not so very bright light also. I'm really looking for good quality for you guys. I want the best quality for you guys. Best quality of sound, of everything. This is again 1080p, 60 frames a second, and it's on wind mode. So the mics are on wind mode. Let's try now in the car stereo mode. So guys, now it's just the same. Okay, I put a little light on because maybe you can't see me. Now it's just the same. I'm talking at the same volume. Lock the car. And this one is in stereo. So this one is stereo. Maybe you can hear me better, I don't know. I'm sorry not to do a time lapse of my driving. I don't have mounts yet, but I have to buy them. I'm going to buy them soon. They are coming in a month. So I'm going to try to borrow one of my friend. And let's see then. Just got home after 50 minutes of riding. And I forgot to review this one. This would be automatic mode, where the GoPro chooses between the wind or stereo by itself. So yeah, how does this sound? So here's again a test with the audio on auto. How do you hear me? Do you hear the background noise? So this is stereo only. What do you think, guys? How do I sound? Can you hear that I'm on this side? And can you now hear that I'm on this side? Difference? So this is a recording from the wind only. So how do I sound? Do you hear the background noise? So, hello guys. This is a raw test of the GoPro 5 Hero Black, and this test is in stereo mode. So, stereo means when I talk on this side, you can hear me on this side. And when I talk on this side, you can hear me on this side. It's that simple. That is stereo. That's how it works. So guys, this is now on stereo mode again. I think this is the best, but I don't know yet. I'm going to hear I'm going to hear on my PC after this. So, thanks for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. Leave thumbs up if you liked the video, if you find it useful, the video. And I will be doing more reviews on this GoPro. Just ask any questions down below in the comments and I will try to, review them. Thanks for watching and have a great day. And please, subscribe to Romisu. I know it's not such a cool name or wow, please, do subscribe. Thanks for watching.